Guys, today I'm going to be opening up 2 Rebel Clash Pokemon cards, so let's get started. So let's get into the first one. Oops. There. So then, here's the code card if you all want to see that. So let's do guess for energy. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to say lightning. Fire. Let's get started. I'm not going to say the name because I don't know them very well. Boss's orders, shiny amber. Rare is this. So let's get into the next pack. Listen, where is it? Oh, there. So now let's get into the second pack. So let's get started. And let's get this out. So the code. That's supposed to guess for energy. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. I'm going to say lightning again. Sorry, fighting. Let's get started. Whoops. A reverse rare and a V. Oh, let's sleeve that up. Get a sleeve in there. If you want to have a nice look at that. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.